right, you better get to milking.
Yep. Here. Guess we can take that off.
Where's the milk bucket?
It's right there.
So running.
Well, here, get the tripod. I don't know where it's at. I think it's down by
we
the...
gotta get the inaugural picture.
Okay.
Watch out. Let Mom have her time. She can use it.
Yeah. Thanks, Hunter. Thanks, babe. Back your leg up, Hazel. Babe. I just want you to back your leg up. Spread it. Spread it. Just don't kick me. There you go. Good girl. I think I want a smaller bucket. Good girl, Hazel. All right, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 6. This is a 6 milking. Hazel's been like this the whole entire time. Barely a kick. I am lucky, for sure. Super lucky. Hey, babe.
Hi. Can I try?
Hold on. She gets antsy with you. She doesn't like the boys. Hold on. Oh, Jesus. She's eyeballing. I don't know if you can see her eyeball, but she's eyeballing him. Go ahead. Hey, watch your head. You know what? Why don't you get on this side and Mommy will protect you. Okay?
Okay.
There you go. You got smaller hands, so it totally works. I think it's fine if I'm here with you.
Yeah.
This morning?
We were here a lot.
Or was it last night?
She's eyeballing me.
Was it last night?
It was yesterday.
It was last night. Jaden's like, I want to help. It's like, sure. We did this. She was fine. And then I was like, why don't you go to the other side and see? She's like, no. She did not like that at all. This side is really, really full. I got her really dry this morning too. Yeah. Just, hey, you're just making me nervous, okay? And if you're making me nervous, you're
Okay,
probably
then
making...
I'll go.
No, I want you to stay, because if you can help me milk and she's okay with it, you know, then that's fine. Hey, you need to be gentle with her, okay? You're being a little too hard, okay? Hey, so this is what you do. Okay, fine. So, the attention span of a boy is not very long. I like that she is about, I want to say that's a 4 and a 2, 6 inches off the ground, which makes it easier, excuse me, for me to milk this bucket that I'm sitting on. Oh man, would hurt my back so much when she was just on the ground. So this is much better. I think my plan is, because this is her first time in the stanchion, my plan is that even when I'm done milking, I'm going to leave her in the stanchion so that she gets used to it. I mean, she walked up here like a pro. Like, I didn't have a problem. I mean, the food totally enticed her though, so that definitely has something to do with it. Food definitely motivates her. My hands are not used to this. Thank you, Hazel. Is that a love swing? Mm-hmm. Love tap. Now Hazel is still swollen right now. She's definitely keep wasting it. Oh my gosh. My glasses are dirty. No! I saved it. Ugh. How many times are you gonna smack me? We're at 2. Yep, I saw that damn fly. Get you. Did I get it? Oh, you stupid horsefly. Oh, almost. Nope. Damn it! I was just talking to Francis at Just Bee Farm about these dang horse flies. This is the first one I've seen this year. And it's bugging the shit out of her. Sorry, Hazel. Tried killing it for you. If I see it, I'll smack it. Did I get you? Oh, I know. I hear it. Can you spread your legs for me, Hazel? Yep, I know. I don't know where it is, but I... Ooh, what should this be? Horsefly attacks. Won't let Hazel be. I'm such a dork. Makes Hazel mad. Sorry, Hazel. I'm going to smack you only because of the horsefly. Mm-hmm. Where is it, Hazel? Where is it? I just saw it. There it is. Yes, I got it. Oh. All right, Hazel, we can go back to work. Mama's protective. You're doing good, girl. Yes, you are. Yep, saw that one coming. If you could just spread your legs. Can you see her poking her eye through here? Giving me the stink eye. Her front quarters are feeling pretty good. Back quarters are not. she get a little bit of the swollen out of her quarters, milking seems to be a lot easier. Right now, she's still swollen from having her calf just 3 days ago. No, 2 days ago. The swelling will go down eventually. I'm just making sure that I get all of the milk out that I can so that it doesn't cause mastitis. You know, when we were preparing for Hazel to have her calf, I did do a little reading about, you know, what to expect, but we've had so much going on. Not so much. We've had a lot of cows being born here on the homestead, so I felt like I knew enough. I concentrated a lot of my research on how to get Hazel to let me milk her. And I didn't need a single ounce of that. You're gonna fall off, girl. You're gonna fall off. Yes, you are. Uh-huh. There you go. Good girl. Yep, I knew that was happening. Yep. See, you gotta, yep, gotta stay over here. Spread your leg. Spread it. Spread it. Spread. She doesn't want to. She's gonna kick. Watch. Come on, baby. Hazel. Mm-hmm. Thank you. She just gives me a little attitude. Just a little bit. But I was fully expecting her to be a kicking heifer. That's for sure. I thought I was gonna need a belly band to help her. Oh, there she goes. She's gonna go to the bathroom. I think she might. Well, maybe not. She rose her tail up like she was. And now here I am taking like a freaking kick. I think she's about done. I think we're about done. I'm just gonna give her a little massage. Few last little. Oh, got quite a bit out of that. Wonder if she still holds up her milk even though she doesn't have a calf. Because I just gave her a little massage and she's got a lot more milk coming now. What? Wow. That's crazy. Oh, neck. Even the front corner scratch a little bit more. What in the world? Are you holding your milk out, Hazel? Please don't kick this milk bucket over. Wow. Just wow. I might actually get a gallon. All right, I think she's done. Yeah, she's not letting anything else go. Nothing. She is dry for right now. She did really good. This is the first time with a stanchion and she did great. You did great, Hazel. That's how much milk she gave. I'm thinking that's about 3/4 of a gallon. Not too bad. Let's cover this up. Let's see how Hazel's doing. Smooth that over here. Hazel, did you eat all your food? Let's see. You did so good, Hazel. You got some more food there, though. You gonna eat it, or you gonna wait for it next time? Huh? What? You got a lot there. Is that hay in your way? Is that what the problem is? There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. What? Yeah. You went out? We're not ready yet. We still got some food in there. Okay. Are you getting mad at me? Are you getting claustrophobic?